So I got the end table or side table from Tribesigns. In this video, I'm just going to go over some of the top questions that I was seeing for this, which is what was the assembly time like for this end table? I was also seeing if you can remove the drawers fully, and then how much weight can this actually hold. So for the assembly time, super easy. Had the whole thing assembled in about 30 seconds, and that's because there is no assembly to it. All you need to do is screw on the feet, and you can just do that by hand. So expect to pull this out of this box, ready to go, and just screw those legs on, and you can start using it, which is really, really cool. Second question is, can you pull the drawers all the way out? So yes, you can. They slide out very, very smoothly. And if you want to just keep going, you can pull them out. So if you ever want to remove them to clean them, or for whatever reason, you can pull them out and remove them if you want to do that. And now for the final question, how much weight can this hold? So it is pretty sturdy. It's wood. They say it can hold up to 350 pounds. Now, I haven't put 350 pounds on there, but I can put all my weight on there. I'm about 200 pounds, and it can easily hold me. So I think this is going to be pretty sturdy and should be able to fulfill all your needs. But personally, this was exactly what I wanted. It looks great. I love the checkerboard on the side. Just gives a little added flair to it. And I love the fact I can pull it out of the box and just start using it. No assembly, following 20 steps or anything like that. Super easy. So very, very happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.